Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to explain you what is jQuery. I will use some examples to help you understand jQuery better. jQuery is known as JavaScript library. What is library? Library means a collection of functions, collection of JavaScript functions. jQuery is simplified form of JavaScript programming, and jQuery is very easy to learn. So it is very easy to understand jQuery because it is in simplified form. The basic purpose of jQuery is easier use of JavaScript in your website. jQuery is very lightweight JavaScript library, means just a few lines of code can do much in your web page. jQuery is best among all other JavaScript libraries. Many popular websites use jQuery in their website programming, website coding, such as Google, IBM, Microsoft, and Netflix. These are very popular websites. They use jQuery in their web programming. Now I will explain you some examples. Example number 1, I will open it in Notepad++. Now you can see that this is just a small lines of code. I will explain you, it is not that much difficult. First of all, you can notice the tags, HTML tag, head tag, then there is a script tag. This line, script src is equals to some file path that is over the internet. If you open jQuery.com, you will find the jQuery file that you can include in your web page, and then you can use any of the functions of the jQuery. You can download it from here, download jQuery, and then you can include that file in your web page by specifying the path in src attribute. Here is the compressed version and uncompressed version available. So this is the file, you can see this is the coding, and lots of functions are there, and you can use it in your web page. Now I will open the code, and here you can see I have included a file. I have written the path to a jQuery file that is on some web page available already on the internet. So this also will add the jQuery code in your website. src is equals to this. So this is same as the file that I had shown you before. So this file is already available on internet, and we can use links to include that file in our web page while developing our website. So if you copy this from here and paste it in browser, press enter, and you can see this is the same file that I have shown you before. This is already available on the web that we can include in our web page while coding. After that, you can see there is a script I have added, and just a few lines of script I have added in my web page. Now document $document.ready. What is dollar? Dollar sign shows that we are defining jQuery, or we are accessing jQuery. So dollar means I am going to access the jQuery. Then document is the selector. This there is a selector inside, means we are selecting the element. This element is document, means the whole page. Dot ready means when we open the web page and when it will be completed loading, then after that the web page is ready. So that is the event ready. After the document has been loaded, it will be ready, and after it is ready, there is a function that will be executed. Dollar here also shows that we are defining or accessing the the jQuery. Then P is the tag. P means the element. We are selecting the element P. We are selecting paragraph, and dot click means when we will click on the paragraph, something will happen. So $P dot click means when the user will click the paragraph, a function will be executed. What will the function? What inside the function is $this dot hide $this. Now this means the paragraph, the selected paragraph. First of all, I want to show you what will be the output of this code. I will open example number 1, and here you can see that when I will click the paragraph, it will disappear. Now click this. So this is what I have coded in jQuery. So this jQuery function is hiding the paragraph when the user will click that particular paragraph. These are the paragraphs. So now I want to make it simpler. I will remove the coding and will type again. I will remove this function also. So I will type in front of you so that you can understand it very easily. This is the script tag. Now I will write JavaScript code inside this script tag. So first of all, you can see this line. This line will include the jQuery file for our web page. We can use any of the jQuery functions in here in this web page. And here I will write the jQuery code. Now under the body tag, I will insert a button. Button type is equals to name is equal to button. Now I will write some CSS code for this button. To write the CSS code for any tag, we use style is equals to width column 500px, height column 500px. Width and height of this button will be 500 pixels. Px stands for pixels. Now font size will be 28px. After that, I am closing the button tag. And background I am specifying to view. Here I will write the text for the button. Click it. Now I will write some jQuery for this button. First of all, I will write the $sign. Then document dot ready function bracket start bracket close, then curly braces start and closes here. Here inside this block we will write the code. Now I will write on the onClick function, onClick event $button dot. I will write the event click function. Now this will point to the element that I have selected in the. First of all, I will put double quotes here. Save it. Now this button shows the element that I have selected, that is button. So this is the tag name. Now $this. Now this will point to the tag button. So this will be the property .css, means $this .css. The CSS will be some CSS values will be changed for button tag. That will be background will be changed to red. So when the user will click on the button, the background of the button will be changed to red. Let's save this file and open it in the browser. Here I will click the button, and now you can see that the color of the button has been changed because of the jQuery code I have added. It was blue, and then with the help of jQuery I have changed the button color to red. So this is very simple jQuery coding, and just a few lines of code has changed the color of the button. Now I will show you another example, example number 2. I will open it in Notepad++. This is also very simple example. First of all, I will show you that there is a script tag. Again, it will add the jQuery file for this web page. Then there is a jQuery in our script tags, and then in the under the body tag I have heading tag, then button tag, and this is the button tag, and its ID is equal to button 1. This button will have some coding. Then container. This is the div document.ready function. Inside this function I have added $#button1.click function. What is happening over here? When this button will be clicked, the container, means the div, will be hidden. So this is what I want to do with the help of JavaScript. First I want to show you the output. When I click it, you can see that when I click, the container or the div is hidden. So this is what I am coding here. Let's do some more with this coding. First of all, you can see that $button1 means the ID, the element that has the ID btn1 will be selected, and the click event of that element will be used. And inside the function I have written a line $cont. So the element that has this ID will have the action hide. The hide action will be performed. The hide action will be performed for that element that has the ID #cont. So this is the div container. So when let's add more in this coding. I am adding 2 buttons, another button here, btn2, and with the help of btn I will again show the div container that was hidden with the btn1 button 1. Click me to show the div container. With the help of this button I will show the div container again. So let's do its coding, its jQuery coding inside the script tag. Here I will write, first of all I will write $, then double quotes #. Now btn2, the other ID is 2. This is the ID of the button #btn2 dot click, means when the user will click this button, second button, then the function will be executed. And what is inside the function? Now I am writing that the function, inside the function there will be a line that will show the container, this container. So which ID I will use? I will use this ID is equal to cont. This is ID of that element that I want to show. So #cont dot show function. This is the action that will show the container again. Now save it and let's refresh the page. Now you can see there are 2 buttons. Click me to hide the div container and click me to show the div container. For these 2 buttons are there. Let's add some style to it. I will write the width 300 px, height 300 px. Let's save it. Here you can see that there are 2 buttons. Now I will click, the first button will hide the container and the other button will show the container. Let's add some style to this div tag. Text align center. Let's add one more line here. I will change the font size to 28px. Now let's refresh the page. Okay, now if I click this button, the div container will be hidden. You can see that the div container is hidden. Now I will click this to show the container. Here you can see that the container is now visible. The div container is now visible. So this is how we can do some tricks with jQuery to add some good effects in our web page. Hope you like this video and hope this video will be proved to be very helpful for you.